Hey everyone, Irit here with a new process video for HipKit Club. Now this is slow because this just came together so super fast. So I don't even know if I think this might be real time. And if it's not real time, then it's pretty close to real time. And now you can see like how slowly I move regularly. Wow, that seems really slow. Maybe I slowed it down. No, I think I'm just so used to narrating my sped up videos that actually seeing my process in real time is, seems like I'm half dying here. So anywho, this is the second layout I created with the July kits. You can see everything in the kits in my unboxing video, and you can see the first process video also on my channel. And the first one took a lot of time, but I made up for it with this one, which took me absolutely no time at all. And I'll tell you my strategies. Even though I think this just like happened more organically, I don't think I was very intentional with my picks here. It was just what was speaking to me. And yeah, first of all, the background here this is one of the Kim Watson papers in the kit, and these are just my perfect type of background papers. They have already all kinds of interesting things going on, but still a lot of white space. You can create something very similar yourself with watercolors or paint or whatever, but here Kim did the job for us. So I can enjoy the mixed media kind of layered look without actually having to do it myself. But as you can see, you can really create something very similar quite easily. Just grab your favorite paints, maybe a couple of stamps and some splatters, and you're done. And so that was one thing, like using an interesting background paper that doesn't require any work on my part. And then the second thing that I did here that really made this go super fast was I basically focused on that one sheet of chipboard from Simple Stories. And I just love it. It is so summery, so cute. The colors are so happy, and they work really well with my photo. You can see here that my journaling magically appeared on my background paper, and I always want to do this, and somehow I am always, or many times it doesn't really work out this way. And I'm talking about using my We Are Memory Keepers typewriter, which is a very pricey item, I must say, but very pretty also, and using it to print my journaling directly on my 12 by 12 background. That was like a major reason that I ordered this typewriter, because it is so expensive, and it's just a typewriter. You can find older ones for I think people are starting to realize that these are worth, more than just a few dollars or euros or whatever. But anyway, the regular ones are not like wide enough for 12 by 12. And I thought it would be great to add my journaling to the background. And yeah, but somehow because my process is so just, go with the flow, not planning ahead, I'm a little bit reluctant to start with my journaling because I feel it might limit me going forward with my design. But in this case, I was pretty sure what I was going to do, so I thought I can take that leap of faith and add my journaling and hope that it won't disturb me later on. And yeah, I think it worked. I think it worked really well. Maybe I would have placed some more embellishments below the word summer if I didn't have that journaling there. I don't know, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. And first of all, that word summer is just so adorable. And with that U that also looks like a slice of watermelon, I love that. It's just so much detail in just, one piece of chipboard. You have your title. It's basically like a huge also design embellishment, design element, whatever you want to call it. It's just such a beautiful piece to use, and I think it's just perfect, of course, for summer layouts. But you can also do something like Summer in My Heart if it's winter where you are in the world. So basically now, because this is like such a great statement piece, I am, I'm not sure what to add and where to add it and should I add anything, but I do end up piling on some more of the embellishments in this sheet. They are super pretty, super adorable, and yeah, just so much fun. So you'll see, I'm just, what am I doing here? I glued down like 2 things. Of course, you can add more layers of paper behind your photos. I kind of went, I felt that it started kind of minimalistic, but at the end, I do feel it's a rather embellished page. And yeah, you can see I also added the sun and the cloud at the top. I thought it was cute with the blue stripes. It kind of felt, like it's a little sky there. And that also works with my theme here. So looking for a place for those florals, of course I have to use the florals. Florals are usually my favorite embellishment in any given set of, it can be stickers, ephemera, puffy stickers, chipboard. Florals are usually my top pick. And yeah, I was just looking around trying to find other stuff I can add here, and this was just like a lot of fun, and I kind of limited myself to this embellishment, and I only end up using, I think at the end maybe I add just a couple of finishing touches, but the main embellishments are just from this sheet. And there's also a flamingo there, and I'm very excited to report that Ella got for her birthday, she got one of these ginormous inflatable flamingos. You can see that thing on my Instagram, and I have like really, really cute photos of Lily hugging it. And I'm not sure, I need also to take a picture of Ella on that thing. I'll put it on my list of things I have to do just because it looks so cute. I think the problem is because, the sun reflects the pink color of that inflatable thing, then basically whoever sits on it looks really, really pink. So I'm not sure how it will look in a photo. But yeah, anyway, I think that hello looks absolutely fantastic with the word summer, but it was just covering too much of Lily in the photo, so it just didn't work for that reason, but I think they look beautiful together, and I love that contrast of the scripty black font with the chunky, colorful font in the word summer. So scripty black hello, and then, yeah, summer. And I thought about adding those sunglasses on Lily. That was cute, but I end up just adding them to the U, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just added a couple more of these chipboards and done. Super, super fast. I hope you feel inspired. You can scrap lift this in like 5 minutes. Have a wonderful day. Bye.